Steve, what is Beijing pledging, given that there's been lots of people asking as to whether Beijing is really willing to sacrifice Hong Kong's role in this?
Well, obviously, Beijing does not want to sacrifice Hong Kong's role as an international financial hub, but they do want to restore law and order. Then that's their terminology. Now, the banking regulator, that's the CBIRC, says China will provide support for its financial institutions here in Hong Kong, and also, of course, offer continued services to residents and companies here. But, you know, we've had these tit-for-tat sanctions by the U.S. and China over Hong Kong. It's kind of left global banking institutions walking a tightrope, if you will, between those differing regulations, established, of course, here in Hong Kong under British common law, as well as now the new regulations under the national security law, as well as these added sanctions. So banks, global banks with global footprints, need to comply with those U.S. sanctions. So it leaves them in a sticky position. Now, the CBIRC, in a statement over the weekend, says, at present, Hong Kong's financial market is generally operating smoothly, and the dollar peg has a solid foundation, which also reflects the confidence in the international market in Hong Kong, and goes on to say Hong Kong's status as an international financial center will not be weakened and shaken, but it will become more prosperous and stable in the future. We'll have to see, of course.